Hello friends, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel called Crux of Life by Munir. And today is Sunday, so Sunday motivation of today is that as we all have studied, as we all have studied regarding the basic structure of an atom, the basic structure of an atom, that is basically the building block of this complete universe. This atom is a building block of this complete universe, and this atom teaches us everything what fundamentally we require to learn in this life. So in this basic structure of an atom, at the center there is a nucleus which has a positive charge and a neutral charge, and around this atom negativity or negative charge revolves. So what do we learn from this? We learn from is that at center, in core of our living, in core of our heart, in core of our soul, we have positivity, we have neutrality, positivity towards some thoughts. We will be very positive towards some thoughts, and we'll be just neutral for some thoughts, and that's absolutely normal. There might be some times that you might be, you know learning or talking to somebody, you might be feeling very positive at that situation, and that's your positivity, and it's in birth, because we are also made up of atom. And sometimes your parents or your friends or your family, somebody would have said something to you, and you must have felt very neutral about it. You must have not felt positive but very neutral, and that's absolutely normal. But we should always remember that we are always surrounded with this negativity, negative charge around us. And that is very important, because when the negative charge will surround us, then only this atom will come into existence. And when this atom will come into existence, the complete foundation of this universe takes place. It takes the birth, it takes the shape of this universe. Then only this universe runs, then only this world runs, then only we this physicality what we see moves, the life takes birth. So what exactly I want to learn from this, and want my viewers also to learn from, is that ki in life you will be always surrounded with negativity. You can't run from it. It is not that I will go somewhere in mountains or somewhere in this part of world where I'll be just free from negativity. It can't happen. You will be surrounded with negativity, but you should always remember, in that point of time, at heart, at core values, you are a positive person, you are a neutral person. You take things very neutral, you say it's okay the way it is. Or you are a very positive person, you learn from it and you inculcate that in your life, so that your life turns in a beautiful manner. You take things very positivity. So next time when you feel that you are negative, it is not you negative, it is the surrounding which is negative. Think of the basic structure of an atom. The surrounding is negative, you are a positive person, you are a neutral person, and that's absolutely okay, because you can't be positive throughout your day. If you ask me that am I positive 24 hours, I will say no. And no human being on this planet earth can be 24 hours positive. And if you ask me, not me, or there are some other people who are they are very positive, or they talk very positive, when you speak to them, are they positive throughout 24 hours? No, they will also be not positive. So that's absolutely okay. We cannot be positive 24 hours, but positive for some good amount of time, neutral for some good amount of time, is a balance of life. Sometimes I am neutral, I am talking about myself. Sometimes I'm very positive about things. I always like to share my positivity with you guys. Sometimes I'm neutral, I say it's okay, the life it presently, we are in lockdown, we are at home, we are at safely sitting at home, it's okay. This is what our creator wants us to be. He wants that we should be at home right now, and I'm absolutely okay about it. And I'm basically okay, and sometimes I'm very positive, because this is the time we can build our inner core. we can work on our positivity. We can turn that neutrality into a positive thing, and that will benefit us in a lot more way in coming tomorrow. This time, my dear friend, you will not find in your life, you will not find that the world has, given you this time to invest on yourself and turn your the neutral emotions into positive emotions. And yes, I live in a world which has negativity around. I accept it. I accept it with neutrality. It's okay. It is the way the world exists. I just have to make sure that negativity should not disturb me. So once again, uh, it's my humble request to be positive, to stay connected with your inner self, and always work on making things neutral to a positive dimension of your life. So my dear friends, this is how I always say, learn from the fundamentals. What you see around, it is not just you reading some religious books only you will learn the existence of creator. It is whatever you study, whatever dimension of your life you study, you will find him in every line. In between the lines you will find him. You will find him in any corner, whatever book, whatever knowledge, whatever dimension of your life you are in, or whatever time span you are in, you will find that existence. If you try to think in that dimensions, if you try to see, yes, this is what exactly my creator wants to tell me. Till that till the time, this was my thought of the day. I will meet you again. So as I again say, if you like my video, share it, subscribe it, put a comment below whatever you learn from it, and I'll meet you again with yet another positive and a beautiful video again.